Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I thought we would take a look at my work planner and the new one that I'm going to be using for 2025. So I use a Hobonichi Weeks for work. This is the 2024. I have some stickers in here. They're from Fern Creek stickers. You might remember them from last year. I did a couple hauls and we had their advent, which was really cool. They're actually closing their store. So it's ferncreekstickers.com. She's closing it at the end of the year, which I think means the 31st. So everything is on sale. I've got some stuff in my cart. So if you want to grab some discounted stickers, it's a good time to go look and help her clear out her inventory. So I don't use these front pages. These were prior. I did that there. I threw in some washi tape. I put in some birthdays. I put in paydays through every month, I do believe. Threw in some stuff, but for the most part, even if I wrote stuff on here, I never came back and looked at it. So I don't know. Maybe I'll change that this year, but it's not likely. Did not use it for December. Used it for January. So most weeks are going to look like this. This is a rarity where I have stickers. Like, this is a whole nice, I'm very proud of this. So, you know, did I drink water? Did I eat lunch? Stopped worrying about that after 3 days, apparently. Stuff to order, people out sick, whatever. But most of them will look like this. They are pen, there are lines drawn in, and there are sticky notes that I have to fold over. You're not going to know who any of these people are anyway, but the rest of the stuff I have to fold over just for the sake of it has to be folded over. There's another, I think there's like more. Is there another week where I used stickers? I feel like there was. Maybe it's just the plethora of sticky notes. I love sticky notes, in case you didn't know that about me. Very much love the sticky notes. Oh, okay. So it was the week before. So for 2 weeks in February, I decided that this planner deserved some pretty stickers. And then that's pretty much it. It's all just, you know, do payroll. Oh, that shouldn't be there. Do payroll, all that kind of stuff. So Christmas party, payday, that's past. Okay, so this is this week. This is next week. So I started with the next week. So this is, you're not going to know what any of this stuff means, which is fine. So this is the last week in this planner. And then I used other stickers to do like this week where we were mostly closed. Yeah. So I am going to leave it when it's done like this. I'm going to throw a rubber band around it and it's going to be in a cabinet because this is pretty much like human resources info that we need to keep. So since I don't want to have to deal with anything, I got a new cover and I got a new weeks. And no, I don't pay for this. My boss pays for this. He hates that he pays for planners, but every time I remind him that everyone who shows up and is disorganized and drives him crazy and then they suddenly become organized and know all their deadlines and it's because I bought them a planner, he lets me buy the planners. I don't know what these are. I think these are, I don't know what you are. That's new. Usually there's like a sticky, yeah, there's usually this sticky pocket. I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like tabs. I don't read Japanese. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. So I got the purple. This is the sneaker. It's the soft cover. I had a hardcover Weeks for myself last year, which I barely used, mostly because I disliked it because it was very inflexible. This is very flexible. I also don't like to put like my personal, like, you won't see any die cut stickers under here or anything. No vellum, because it's, you know, it's work and it's going to stay with work. So, you know, why would I want to give them my stickers? But, you know, I did, obviously, for a couple of weeks, decorate them. So, we're going to put this. Is this different than the one I had before? I thought I had determined that this was the same. Why does this not appear to be the same? Oh, maybe I was looking at this one. This is the one from the weeks that I had, but it's, well, maybe. It might. So the lack of this pocket is basically my complaint. Now, did it have that in here? No. All right. I'm crazy. What I am is exhausted. But this will work. And I think it'll look really cool with the purple cover. I didn't love the blue, but it was what I could get in the sneaker. And I wanted the sneaker. Look at that. All starry and done up. Okay. And it's ready for all my sticky notes. So last year, I did. You guys are gonna love this. So I did like PTO. So alright, so like here's mine. So you can see there's like crossouts. There's a lot of whiteout. Like I track tube chipped in for the boss's Christmas gift. And then I had all these pages. And I'm thinking to myself, you know, you buy a Mega because you like the size and you like that it has pages. So this year, everybody's getting their own 2-page spread just for when they're out. So that when I cross things off, it's not like an emergency that I find the whiteout and fix it. Because I don't know what else to do about that. That was crazy. And then there's other stuff that I should probably track in here. So that'll all be back here. And then what else do they have back here? Using things around you to measure size. Okay. Favorites. My 100 entries of anything you want accomplished this year. Books you've read, movies you've seen, snacks you've tried. All right, I don't know how to convert that into something for work, or at least right now I don't. Samples, symbols, and icons. Two pages about kinds of ramen. Sure, why not? 365-day check-off list and addresses. So apparently you only need to know 6 people. And then this is your personal info in case your book gets lost. And that is it. Did I use the sticky pocket in this one? I don't think I did. No. I don't even know what I did with the sticky pocket for this one. No idea. So anyway, this one is still in use. And then this one is for the week after next. So that's exciting. It needs tabs. The tabs are useful. I tabbed in this I didn't tab the months. I tabbed the months for the week section. I didn't tab the monthly section. And then I tabbed to where the notes section starts. I'm probably going to do that again. I did put the weekly and monthly up here. I should probably put them out further because you can barely see them. I should probably put those out further. But yeah. So I will put tabs on this at some point, and then I will show it to you before I take it to work and no one ever sees it again. But yeah, I mean, it got used pretty well, right? Aside from the lots of note paper that I didn't use. This, you know, this got used. This one will too. It looks so weird when they're brand new. Like, it looks very weird. Alright, I'll put these in here until I figure out what they are. I don't think I have any. Do I want to do a spread for January? Maybe next week. Maybe we could do that next week. We'll do one to celebrate the beginning of January. I had stickers over here. Where'd they go? Oh. Here they are. I knew I had stickers. So obviously I missed the boat on some of these, like, you know, Christmas themed. And I think this is like, it's either autumn or Thanksgiving or something. But this is a pretty winter one. And this one's pretty. We just did blue. And this is another blue. And then there's that, and this, and there's this one. And then this stuff is all cousin. This one only has one sheet. I don't know why that is. This is all cousin stuff. And then the kit that I used for the last week in here, I had also bought for the cousin, so that'll be useful as well. But this is all cousin back here. So there's this one which has gifts, so obviously Christmas. But then there's this one. And there's a lot here, so you can do journaling pages too, and dailies and all that. And oh, that's the handy packing list I mentioned in my Coffee Monster Co. video, that there's no packing list. But Fern Creek does a packing list. Alright, so I think we'll use this next week for this planner. I think that's a good idea. So I'm going to put these back before I misplace them again. Oops. There we go. Alright, so in another video we will have this all tabbed up and we will use these stickers for its first official week in January. Right there. Don't worry, I won't lose it. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.